Isang napakagaling na naman na komposisyon. Bago natin panoorin guys, gusto ko munang bigyan ng grabe, napakaangas, napakatalino, napakahinyo ng nilalang na to. Tingnan nyo guys, updated na ang Philippine Geography. Panoorin nating lahat. Ang galing ni Kuya.
Philippines has a great history. Updated na ang geography. Welcome lahat ng mga ICC. Ang Luzon becomes European country. Metro Manila, as you can see, they started eating bread and spaghetti. Southern European country be like in the morning bread with hot coffee. From the North Mediterranean Sea, eating balon
Ang galing.
in London, UK. Suman and Puto in Rome, Italy. Eiffel Tower in the cold Baguio City. Acropolis in Nueva Vizcaya. Renaissance Arts in Amsterdam, Pampanga. Barangay France, Greece, Germany, Netherlands, Austria, Belgium, Turkey. Now let's go to the southern Luzon. Disturbing winter season. Albay covered with ice. And Santa Claus cannot go there alone. And we add Rhode Islands more. In the kingdom where dragons roar. Then down to Visayan shore, famous of whiskey, rum, tuba, and more.
Yeah.
Ay,
Visayas.
Visayas is the lost city.
Oh, kasi hindi binanggit ni Richard Hater yan. Kaya Lost City ang
Dragon balls
Visayas.
are hidden diri. Ay, Southern Luzon dito mamalingki. Superheroes are there, you can see, living
Superheroes.
with the people in harmony. Now let's go to the land
Yan.
of France. Sub-Saharan Mindanao. Wakanda is the central province.
Wakanda ba?
Where giraffe is useful as Carabao. You hear them singing the Waka Waka.
Waka waka.
Singaporeans in southern Nigeria. They are active in social media. Even in the mountains may piso wifi.
Piso
Ay,
Ang galing ni Kuya.
European City.
Okay.
Ay, Visayas is the lost city. Ay, ICC
Invited to see.
According to the new geography, Mindanao is
Sub-Saharan
Sub-Saharan
country. Ang galing.